वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धं सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम् सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
स्तोभमनवद्यं च
अस्तोभमनवद्यम् च
सोत्रं सोत्रविदो
सूत्रविदो
विदुः।
विदुः।
उक्तानुक्तदुरुक्तानां चिन्ता यत्र प्रवर्तते
उक्तादुक्तदुक्तानां
उक्तानुक्तानाम्
चित्त
चिन्ता यत्र
प्रवर्तते।
प्रवर्तते
तं ग्रन्थं वार्तिकं प्रागुः वार्तिकज्ञामनीषिणः।
तं
ग्रन्थं वा
ग्रन्थं वार्तिकं प्राहुः वार्तिकन्यामनीषिणः।
प्रत्यया शिवसूत्राणि आदेशा आगमस्तथा
प्रत्यया
प्रत्यया शिवसूत्राणि आदेश आगमास्तथा
धातुपाठो गणपाठ उपदेशाः प्रकीर्तिताः।
धातुपाठो
धातुपाठो
गणपाठः
गणपाठः
पदेशाः
पदेशाः प्रकीर्तिताः।
प्रकीर्तिताः।
Get into sutra directly. Last sutra what we saw was Etumati cha, right? Satyapa Pasharupaveena Tula Shloka Sena Lomata Chavarma Varna Churna Junadibhyaha Nichu. Then Etumati cha causative. Now next sutra
Yes.
is 221.
We
Yeah.
saw
Huh?
we saw some
What's that?
yes we started this Yatasi Ludo also.
We started, yes. Yeah.
Yes.
Started.
One question
Hmm.
about this niche pratyaya.
Hmm.
This niche I found interesting. This niche is not replacing the shap, meaning all other ganas,
Hmm.
the shap will be replaced. Here is not replaced. 10th conjugation?
When does shap come?
Sarvadhatuke Kartari Shap.
Sarvadhatuke pratyaya pare. You have to tell like that.
Oh,
When a
Sarvadhatuke
Sarvadhatuka pratyaya follows, then dhatoho paraga shap will come. What about nich? Does it have a condition when Sarvadhatuka pratyaya follows, nich will come? Therefore, what is the connection? No connection at all. When the connection is not there, then where is the question of apavada? Understand?
Oh,
In
this is
10th
maybe
conjugation, dhatus will take nich. That's what it says. Nich is Sarvadhatukam? No. If nich follows, then shap comes? No. Nich is first ordained to the dhatu. Then nich is one of the dhatus, one of the pratyas given in the section. Dhatoho, that is here. These will get the sanya sanadyantaha dhatoha. Nijanta dhatu now will get the sanya dhatu. Now you get a dhatu. Then that dhatu only you add lat lakara pratyaya, hati pratyaya, etc. When saradhatuka pratyaya pare, then shap will come. So the process itself is different. First is nich followed by shap. So where is apavada? There is no connection at all. Understand?
understand.
You follow what I'm saying? So apavada you can
Yes.
say shap is in the place of shap, shan will come, apavada, fourth conjugation. In the place of shap, shna will come, apavada, ninth conjugation. In the place of nich, what will come? Nich alone will come for churadikara dhatus. And the resultant is new dhatus. New dhatu.
Understood.
The pratyas like san pratyaya, kech pratyaya, kamyach, kyang, kesh. All these already we have seen. Sanadhyanta dhatavaha in that list. And further kech, ning, nich. This one more niche is here. This niche is different. This niche is not churadibhya niche. Mandamishra shrakshna lavana vrata vastra lakalagatu stebhyo niche. Then yang pratyaya. Then churadibhya niche. These words as well as churadikana dhatu will take niche. In the sense of causative also, etumati cha niche. Yak. All these pratyayas added to the dhatu, you get by sutra sanadhyanta dhatu, a new dhatu, atideshika dhatu. Once you get adideshika dhatu, that will be considered to be belonging to first conjugation. Then you add lat lakara, whatever pratyas, then katri sarvadhatika shap will come. That is how the sequence is. Then where is the question of connection? Shap is apavada. No, doesn't the relationship is not like that, right?
Understood.
Mm.
So
No, Shata-
all atideshika dhatus will be in the first conjugation.
All adideshika dhatus should be considered to be belonging to the first conjugation. In fact, first conjugation is not a conjugation at all. It is open.
Open.
Only second conjugation, third conjugation, all those conjugation, even 10th conjugation, no, there are certain number of dhatus are there. Whereas first conjugation also some dhatus are there. They are dhatu by bhuvadeha dhatavaha. And all the derived dhatus also are considered to be belonging to bhuvadikana. That is why it is like an open gana.
Okay.
That's why shap comes. Shap is by utsarga. By default, shap will come. All the other are apavadas. Shana, shna, shno, etc.
Yeah, okay. Another question.
Hmm.
This niche,
Hmm.
we said it can be swarte or preranarte.
Yes. Swarte means in the sense of the very dhatu itself, nich pratyaya will come. That is applicable only for 10th conjugation, not for
Yes.
other conjugation. Because 10th churadibhya nich by that sutra, swarte nich bhavati. Then the question will come, okay, for 10th conjugation, swarte nich. What about other conjugation? Other conjugation, nich when you add, there is preranarte.
Preranarte.
In the
But
sense
this is
of causative. And 10th conjugation, if he has what is Peranarte, for that also nich will come. So for 10th conjugation, Swarte nich rupam, Preranata nich rupam, both will be same. Depending on the context, you have to find out.
understood. But
Chorayati only the form. Swarte or Preranarthe for Chur Dhatu, 10th conjugation.
Oh.
But Swarte or Preranarthe, context. Saha Chorayati, he steals. Is or he makes someone to steal. Possible. Why not? That meaning also possible. Whereas
yes,
other conjugation, Pat Dhatu, for example, Patati only. When you niche, you got a new dhatu, patayati, that is cause to read only, that is preranarthe, right?
Preranarthe. But this Preranarthe, we have to how to say this is defined because of this Hetumaticha.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Etumaticha for all the conjugations, including Churadigana also. Okay.
Okay.
Etumaticha, Etumat, that which has the Etu is called Etumat, Etuman, Etumanto, Etumataha. Etu means Priyojaka Karta, causative agent. The one who has the agentship of causing to do is called Hetumat. That's why we say Priyojak Karta, causative agent. Understand?
Understood.
Yes? Yes or no?
Nice. Yes.
Yes.
Thank you.
I think you need to keep your the speaker near your mouth.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Now next
All right.
sutra is Shatasi Rilitoha, which we saw. Among the lakaras, what are the lakaras? Rit and Lring. One relative future tense, other one is Ring is conditional. And Lut is, Anadyatane Lut. Not today's future. Tomorrow's future onwards, it is Anadyatane Lut. Therefore, three lakaras covered by R, Lutoho. So for Rit lakara and Ring lakara, the pratyaya is Sya. For Lut lakara, the pratyaya is Tas. Syatasi is 1, 2. Syatasi is 1, 2. Manaha Manasi, like that. Syatas is a Shabda. Sya is pratyaya, Tas is another pratyaya. So Manaha Manasi, Manas Shabda. How do you declare? Manaha Manasi, Manamsi. Syatasi, 1, 2. And you have to connect like this. Yatasankyam Anudesha Samanam, like that. The first one for Sya, and second one is Lut. Now you see here. Here Dhatoho Paraha, Lit or Lut or Ring will come. Then the not the Gana Vikarana, then the Vikarana Pratyaya comes. This is not Gana Vikarana. Doesn't depend on the Dhatu belonging to the conjugation. Whatever may be Dhatu, any conjugation. When Rit Lakara, Ring Lakara follows, Sya will come. Then Lut Lakara follows, Tas will come. Understand? After that only, you have to do the what Purusha, what Vachanam, etc. That is Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya. That is not applicable here. That is why Sarvadhatuke Pratyaya Shap and all is not applicable here. Understand?
Understand.
Steps is like this. You see.
Understand. Because
We have read this.
Sya and Tas are not Sarvadhatuka, then we don't apply Shap.
Sya and Tas are,
Not Sarvadhatukam,
yeah,
then we don't apply
you
Shap.
can say like that. Sya. Yes. That will not come.
Okay.
Yes. If it is Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya, probably it will not come. It is not. That is number one. But in that, the Sya and Tyas itself is Vikarana Pratyaya. Okay. That comes in between the Pratyaya and the Lakara. So Vikarana Pratyaya. That which comes in between the Pratyaya and the Lakara is the Vikarana Pratyaya. Not Gana Vikarana, just Vikarana Pratyaya. Vikarana Pratyaya Sya comes when the Dhatu is followed by. The Dhatu is followed by what? For example, Dhatu is followed by Lit Lakara. For example, I'm taking Lit Lakara. When the Dhatu is followed by Lit Lakara, then Vikarana Pratyaya comes. What is Vikarana Pratyaya? Sya comes. Sya plus Lit. Understand?
Understand.
After that, corresponding to Purusha and Vachana, Lit Lakara being Lakara, so we can bring in the what? We can bring in the Sya plus tip.
Tip.
Sya plus tip. Understand?
Yes. So
Now,
always
what is this? Now,
oh,
what is tip pratyaya is?
Sarvadhatuka.
When Sarvadhatuka pratyaya follows Kartari, should not Shab will come?
But only one Vikarana we can add, right?
Any rule is there like
Not
that? I
no,
write here now.
just imagine. Meaning
No, you see, I write that. I write. You see the difference. Pat plus lat lakara I'm doing. Then what happens? Lat lakara will bring the pratyaya.
now Gana Vikarana will come.
Lat lakara cannot say Sarvadhatuka. Which comes in the place or lat lakara. Lat is only the group of pratyayas. Right? Do you hear me?
Yes.
Yes.
Because the internet is not stable. So lat lakara, now what we do, corresponding to Pratma Purusha Ekavachanam, we say tip. Then tip is Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya, follows the dhatu. Dhatoho paraha, very important. Don't forget that. Then only Shab comes. That is why we say this is Sarvadhatuka Lakara, Lat Lakara, Lang Lakara, Lot Lakara, Lit Lakara. Here, Lit Lakara, for example, follows. Then Gana, then
Uh,
follows.
Sharanji, this audio is all broken.
Kara follows.
Sorry,
you?
can you repeat? Can you repeat? We lost some audio.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, now I
Yeah.
can hear.
What is it you asked?
No, you were talking when Lil Lakara follows, then we lost the audio.
Okay. Rit Lakara. Follow. The sutra says, Sya will come. Written and tas after the Dhatu Pratyaya Bhavati. Now, corresponds Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya. But this Pratyaya Dhatoho Paraha Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya Pare eva Gana Vikarana Bhavati. But this Pratyaya now follows what? The Vikarana Pratyaya itself, not a Dhatu. So therefore, no question of Shap coming here. Understand?
Understand.
That's the subtle point. Nobody says is all this thing. You need to know this. Keep saying again, understand. Why keep saying that? When the Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya follows a Dhatu, Gana Vikarana will come. Follows a Dhatu, very important. Dhatu follows the Dhatu. Gana Vikarana will come when the Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya follows a Dhatu. Now here you may see, brings in Sya, and the place of Sya, corresponding to Pratham Purusha Ekavachana, tip follows, tip being Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya. Will Gana Vikarana come here? No, because Sya follows. So Gana Vikarana of it will come, it will not come. That is why Shab doesn't come. Understand?
Understand.
Is it clear? Yes, very important. Another question now. What does Sarvadhatuka? I use the word Sarvadhatuka Lakara. Because Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya follows, therefore Dhatoho Gana Pratyaya will come. That is for this Lang, Lot, and ling, right? What about other lakaras? For other lakaras, vikarana pratyaya comes because of it only, right? And even though Dhatuka pratyaya follows Gana lakaras. Therefore, we got all these lakaras as Ardha Dhatuka lakaras loosely. We call lakara to be Ardha Dhatuka lakara. Do you follow?
Sorry, can you repeat this last? The
Sarva Dhatuka lakara. Okay. See, we know Sarva Dhatuka pratyaya, Ardha Dhatuka pratyaya. Yes or no?
yes,
Yes.
Hello. What are Sarva Dhatuka pratyayas?
Tin sheet
tin
sarvadatka.
sheet, tin and sheet.
What about the rest?
Ardhadhatuka, Ardhadhatukam, Shesha.
Ardha Dhatukam Shesha. What about Lit lakara? What about Ashiling?
Also Ardhadhatuka.
They are also Ardha Dhatuka, right? So don't
Yes.
forget that.
Yeah.
Lit lakara is given. Linga Shishi, Litcha. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
So among the lakaras, 10 plus 1 lakara, Ardha Dhatukam Shesha, Litcha. Lit lakara is
Ardhadhatuka.
Ardha Dhatuka lakara. Linga Shishi, Ashiling is Ardha Dhatuka lakara. Right? Ardha
Yes.
Dhatuka pratyas and the lakara here also they are given the sanya Ardha Dhatuka. Right? So lit ling also is a pratyaya only. Dhatoha paraha bhavati. So lit is Ardha Dhatuka. Ling is Ardha Dhatuka. Right?
Yes.
Yes.
Pratyas are given the name Sarva Dhatuka, Ardha Dhatuka, not the lakaras. Right? We loosely say Sadhatuka, Ardhadhatuka, lakaras. What it means is, when a Sarvadhaka pratyaya follows, the dhatu, Gana Vikrana comes, right? Those are Sarvadhatuka lakaras. For which lakara it does it come? Latta lung, lot ling. What about the rest of the
Okay.
lakaras? Rest of the lakaras, the Vikrana pratyaya comes not because of this Sarvadhatuka pratyaya following. Because of the lakara following, the Vikrana pratyaya comes. Right?
Oh, understood. Yes.
Therefore, they are called Adhatuka lakaras. And Ganavikana, if you see, they are not Sarvadhatuka. In the case of Lut lakara, it is here. In the case of Lut lakara, it is Tas. Right? So, like that, it is there. So, therefore, they are Adhatuka lakaras. Therefore, Adhatuka lakara is a loosely we call. Okay, Adhatuka lakaraha. Suppose if I take. What are they? They are already lit and ashiling. Sutra itself says, right?
Yes.
Adhatukam. Now, what about the rest? Now, lit lakara, what we saw now. Then ling lakara, conditional mood. Then lut lakara. Then what else is left out? And adhatuka lakaras, they are sarvadhatuka lakaras are 4. That is lat, lung, lot, and ling. They are sarvadhatuka lakaras. Understand? Sarva,
Yes.
sarvadhatuka lakara. Yeah, okay. They are let. I am writing in this order. This order only you need to remember and load. 4. The 5, 6, 7, 8 Veda. Leave it. Total ling is okay. What laka? One more lakara is left out. What is that laka? Little lunga, lung lakara. Lung lakara also. Dhatuka lakara only. Okay, that we will see later. Don't worry about it now. So these are these Adhatuka lakaras. Loosely, these lakaras are called adadatuka lakara because of the gana vikarana pratyaya which comes. Gana vikarana pratyaya will not come for lit. No gana vikarana. In fact, no, that's sorry, because of vikarana pratyaya. No vikarana pratyaya for lit. Lit lakara anyway given adadat sangya. So lit also vikarana pratyaya and is given the sangya adadatuka name completely leave it, no problem. That is lung lakara. All these are called, all these six are called adadatuka lakaras, and the four are savadatuka lakara. And one more lakara, late lakara, which is used in the Veda. Right?
Right.
You follow?
Yes.
Follow.
So these the other dhatu kalakara, what is the specialty is when the laka follows, vikarana pratyaya comes. Whereas here for this sarvadhatu kalakara, what is the thing difference is when sarvadhatu pratyaya follows, gana vikarana comes. That is the difference. When a sarvadhatu pratyaya follows, vikarana comes, and the gana vikarana dhatu kalakaras. Whereas adhatu kalakara, the lakara itself will begin vikarana pratyaya. They are called adhatu kalakaras loosely. It's not Panini Maharshi defines, okay? Panini Maharshi defines only the pratyaya. Pratyaya to be sarvadhatuka pratyaya, adhatuka pratyaya. Understand?
Understand.
Yes, yes. Now,
Nice.
here the point what I said is very important. Why shab doesn't come when sarvadhatuka pratyaya follows? Because it will come dhatoho only. Where is dhatu here now? Sya alone. Dhatu is here. You cannot say I will bring the shab pratyaya here. That is, how can you bring it?
Yes.
Not possible. When pratyaya follows immediately, then only shab will pratyaya. Therefore, no question of shab coming here. That is why this is
Okay.
not a gana vikarana, it is a vikarana pratyaya. Understand?
Understood.
Is it clear? It is.
Yes.
Okay. Now coming to the point now here. This lakara we are going to see later. Okay. What I'm saying is, here the sutra R stands for two lakaras. One is rin conditional and rit, which future tense. And lut lakara stands for second tense. Lut lakara, anadyatane lut. The form will be like this. Now, yesterday the day I was telling you, Ardha Dhatuka Pratyaya, very important, Ardha Dhatuka Pratyaya. What are Ardha Dhatuka Pratyaya? That which is not Ting and Shit is called Ardha Dhatuka Pratyaya. Like for example, what are the Pratyayas? Can you give some examples? You can say Sya, you can say Tas, you can say Nich, yes or no?
Yes.
You can say
Yes.
Kta Pratyaya, Tavatu, right? Trich, Tva, Krip Pratyaya, Lya Pratyaya which comes, that also gets a Sanya, right? So many are there, right? All these are.
Ardha.
Ardhatu.
Now, Adhatuka Pratyaya, here Sya, here Tas, here the content, niche content is E, and the Ta, this is Tavatu, this is Tr, this is Tva, this is zero suffix, right? And this is Ya, content. For example, you take these Pratyayas. This is zero, leave it. Adhatuka Pratyaya beginning with Val. What is Val? Val, Valadi.
Alcosalis. Except.
Valadi Adhatuka Pratyaya
Yeah.
will take Ittagama. It's an important 1 to 35. Now, yes, ya is Adhatuka Pratyaya beginning with Sakara. What is Val? Val
Val.
includes all the letters, all the consonants except Yakara. Therefore, here Ittagama will come. The Pratyaya will take Ittagama. Here E, it is not a Val at all, so no, it will not come. Here Ta Pratyaya, Ittavat, right? Trich,
Mhm.
Itr,
Yes.
Tva, Itva. What about Ya? Lep.
Yes.
It's not.
It's
Valid.
not val.
It is not. It's not a Val. Therefore, it will not come. Understand?
Understand.
This is important. So Ittagama comes when a Vadi Adhatuka Pratyaya, provided Dhatu is said, otherwise no.
Said.
Dhatu has to be said dhatu, followed by valadi adadhatuka pratyaya only will take ittagama. Otherwise no. Understand? Both the
Yes.
conditions have to be fulfilled. Both the horoscope has to match. Then only it will come. Otherwise no.
Nice.
Ittagama is a check. Otherwise say it. And the pratyaya has to be
Understand.
valadi. Then only ittagama. Then only child possibility. Otherwise no. Infertility problem. Okay. Understand? Suppose if the
Yes.
dhatu
Nice.
is said, for example, and pratyaya is yeah, well, itagama comes, even though dhatu is said. This is not valadi. No itagama. Understand?
Understand.
Suppose dhatu is anit, and the pratyaya is valadi, adu dhatu ka pratyaya, ta pratyaya, etc. Then itagama will come. No, it will not come.
Not coming.
Dhatu is anit, and the pratyaya is also not valadi. No question. First of all, should not happen. Understand? This is important.
Yes.
We'll discuss about this itagama separately, but this information you should keep in your mind. Energy, important. Last class I told,
Yes.
remember?
Yes.
Yes.
Please remember this. Valadi adudhatuka pratyaya will take itagama. That's a rule. Adudhatuka say it valadehe. You need to remember that. Important rule. So
Nice.
now, why he is saying is, Syap pratyaya is future tense what? Take for example, Pat dhatu itself. Pat plus lit lakara. Lit lakara will bring in by the sutra seta litaho sya will come. Sya is adadhatuka pratyaya. Therefore, Pat dhatu is said dhatu. Therefore, Gama will come. And what is this sakara? Pratyaya sakara. Therefore, adesha pratyayo. Remember,
Yes.
sakara belong to the pratyaya or the adesha will undergo इनको आदेश प्रत्ययो अपदान्तस्य किं भवति मूर्धन्यः शत्वं yes or no
Yes.
Yes.
ishya that corresponding to the vikrana purusha etc vachanam then you can bring it then it becomes patishya plus tip you get patishyati understand dhatu is said
Understand.
this also the pratyaya is also right. What
Yes.
about nam dhatu, for example? Nam plus lit lakara. Nam dhatu, which belongs to first. Okay, what the conjugation here is not required. So you don't have to worry about which conjugation dhatu belongs to. Not required because we are not going to bring ghana vikarna. Why do we need to know which conjugation dhatu is, right?
But
Just bring it.
if it
Yes.
is, if it is from first conjugation, then it will
Ah.
be it.
Doesn't matter. So what? The first conjugation. So what? What brings the pratyaya? Lit alone brings. It's not a gana vikrana, it is a visya, is a vikrana pratyaya. First conjugation, why bring it bhu dhatu plus lit. What happens? Bhu plus sya plus lit only, right?
Hmm.
Why first conjugation? What's special about first conjugation?
The
Any conjugation.
the ikaru comes from sya
Yeah, of course that will come. But nam dhatu is
because
I'm giving that example. Nam dhatu is anit dhatu and sya, even though adu dhatu pratyaya is valadi, ittagama will not come because dhatu is not said. Therefore, nam plus ya plus corresponding to pratham purusha ekavachanam pratyaya. Then what will happen? Ittagama will not come here. Therefore, apadanta makara followed by what? What will happen? Rama.
Naschabadantasya.
Nascha padantasya jali. Apadanta nakara, apadanta makara when followed by a jal. Jal letter or not? Sya.
yes.
Sakara is jal letter. And what will happen to apadanta makara? Becomes anuswara. Namsyati.
Anuswara.
What will happen to
Yes.
anuswara when followed by? Yei letter Parasavarna. Is it a Yei letter, Saka? Is Kara Yei letter or not? No. Yei is up to Kapai only. Where is Shasha, sir? Therefore, Parasavarna will not happen. Nam Syati is a form. Understand? Enes.
Yes,
Yes. Yes.
understand.
Parasavarna will not happen. Anuswarasya Yei Parasavana. Sandhi sutras are important. Okay. All the way it is applied. Nashta Vedanta Siddhali, Anuswarasya Yei Parasavarnaha. Now, in the case of Bhudhatu, what will happen? Bhu is the
Sit.
Anga for Sya. Bhu plus Sya is the Anga for, in the case of Litlakara, corresponding to Purusha and Vachana, Lasya, Tipta, Shi, Sipta, Stam, Spasti, Pratyaya comes. Now, what Sya will do to Bhu? Now, Bhu Dhatu is Set Dhatu, Ranit Dhatu,
Sit.
Set Dhatu.
Sit.
Therefore, Itagama will come. Once Itagama comes, Apada will become Murdani Shakara Ishya. Now, what will happen to Bhu? This is a Pratyaya. This is Anga. Now, let me talk about Anga and Pratyaya. What is the Anga? Because the next sutra comes Anga. If you see this, Yasmat Pratyaya Vidhi Tadadi Pratyaya Angam. Angam is defined. What is the Anga now? You have been saying Anga, Anga. What is Anga? Anga Karya, Anga. What is Anga? Anga is, please see. Huh?
Is that which precedes the pratyaya?
That's a simple definition I give. Yes. That which precedes a pratyaya. Here the pratyaya. So Anga is that Shabda Rupam which precedes a pratyaya. That is, for Ishya, the Anga is starting, Bhu is what? Bakara plus U, right?
Yes,
Starting from Bakara up to the pratyaya. Pratyaya should not be included. What is the first letter of pratyaya? E. Don't include E. So the entire Shabda Rupa is called Anga. Starting from Bakara, the first letter, up to the end of, up to the letter which precedes the first letter of the Pratyaya. That is called Anga. Excluding the first letter. First letter should be included. Because Pratyaye, Yasmat Pratyaya Vidhi Tadadi Pratyaye, when Pratyaya falls. That's why I gave simple definition. What precedes is called Anga. Easy to understand. Technically, how it is defined, starting from the first letter to the first letter of the pratyaya, excluding the first letter of the pratyaya, alone forms the Anga. You understand what I'm saying?
yes.
Starting from the first letter up to the first letter of the pratyaya, excluding the first letter of the pratyaya, called Anga. Shabda Rupa, Shabda, a word, beginning with what begins with. From that onwards, up to the first letter of the pratyaya, excluding the first letter, that alone forms the Anga. This is a definition. So Bakara plus U is the Anga. You understand?
Understood.
Rama.
Yes,
Then
understood.
what happens? Rama is there? Yeah. And this
I'm
what
here.
pratyaya is this? What pratyaya is here now?
Ardhatuka,
Sarvadhatuka, Radhadhatuka.
Ardhatuka.
What? Adhadhatuka pratyaya. Is it a Kitta, Gita, Gitta? No. Therefore, Anga Karya will happen. Yes, why not? Anga ending with equal letter U. Therefore, U will become
Oh.
O. Karya should be done first because it is sharpened. Sandhi. Bo will become Bhav. Bhav plus Ishya, Bhavishya. Now, Bhavishya is the Anga for Tip. Now, what is the Anga for Tip? This is the Shabda Rupam starting from the first letter Bakara is up to Yaka, that A. This is called Anga. You understand?
Yes.
Rama.
Understood. Yes.
So therefore, Bhavishya is the Anga. That is why I said that which precedes a Pratyaya. Easy to understand. So
Yes.
Bhavishyati. Finally, we get Bhavishyati. Yeah.
One question. This
Mm.
E that is coming
Mm.
because of set.
Mm.
This is also a pratyaya.
Which is a Pratyaya? E.
E that is coming
E
because
or
of
Sya? Which? No, you are asking E or Sya?
the E.
See, E is an Agama. Ittagama, right?
Okay, it's Agama. Okay.
Agama becomes an integral part of the Pratyaya.
Okay. Okay.
Agama
Understood.
becomes an integral part of the Pratyaya. Therefore, now Pratyaya is Ishya only. That's how we have to look upon. It is not E
Understood.
is something, no, which will be hanging always. E becomes Itagama always. Tadguni Bhutaha Bhavanti. It becomes a integral part of the Pratyaya. So it is not. So don't write like this, huh? E plus Shya. Not write like this. Then you may think, okay, E is what? Is a Pratyaya or not? The question will come. That I don't write. I write together.
Yes. Yes.
Understand?
Okay. Understood. Yes.
Mm. Yes. Okay. So, mm,
Well, if we have one
mm,
churadi dhatu, we have to add the niche before also, and then the
mm.
sya.
Will come later. Switch it. Yes. Why not? Okay. Churdatu. First you have to add niche. Only you get a dhatu. Chur plus niche. What will happen? Chori. What is the Anga
Sorry.
for niche? Starting from Chakara of Chur up to the first letter of the Pratyaya, which is E. Exclude that Pratyaya. The Chur is E. Then what will happen when the Pratyaya niche? Because niche Pratyaya, therefore, ending or Ikupada. Then what happens? Chori plus Lakara. Now Chori is set or on it or wait. All derived dhatus, anekach dhatus are set
Set.
alone. Please note, anekach, it's anekach dhatu or not? More than one bubbled dhatu. Yes or no?
Yes.
All
Yes.
derived dhatus must have more than one bubble because e will be added. No, something will be added. One bubble will be, and it is a set dhatu. Anit dhatu is applicable. Anitvam applicable only to ekach dhatu, and this is anekach. Therefore, it has to be set. Just close your eyes and say set. And Sya is also Valadi. Therefore, Ittagama will come and becomes now Isya. Ittagama becomes an integral part of the Pratyaya and the whole one unit now. And Shatam also can to the Pratyaya. Why not? Because it is not a Kit, Git, or Git. Therefore, Chori will become Chore. Right? Chore plus Ishya. Then what happens? Sandhi you do. Chore plus Ishya plus Tip. Chore plus Ishya is Ayadi Sandhi. Chorai Ishya. Chora Ishya plus Tip. Right? Chora Ishya plus Tip. Now Chora Ishya is the Anga for Tip. And now I start saying Chora Ishya because it is. Anga is ending with Adantanga. No Anga Karya possible. Just the Chora Ishyati. You follow?
Follow. Understood.
Yes.
Very nice.
Hello?
Yes.
Yes.
Right? So this is how it happens. This is lit lakara. In case of lut lakara, that is not required for this. Lut lakara, we are going to see in detail. Just here, I told only pratyas will come. Sya and tas pratyaya. About that only. And what about the ring lakara? See, here examples, so many examples are given. Okay, let the scribblings be there. What about ring lakara?
This
Ring
Lakara.
lakara, what happens?
Uh,
So the pratyaya, this
Atagama.
is a lakara. This is a nyit lakara. See, nyit lakara. You have the two types of lakara. Lakara can be divided into tit lakara and nyit
Nyit.
lakara. Yes or no?
Yes.
Lat, lot, lit, lut, all these are lit lakara. Then we have ling, lung, lang, all those are ling, nyit lakara. For nyit lakara, agama comes. It's a rule. Simple. Right? Agama will come. Atagama will come, depending on the dhatu. Now, look, for example, to the dhatu, take pat plus ring lakara, right? Atagama, right? Atagama is content is at only. So apat. When ring, what will come? Sya will come, right? Sya plus ring. And this Sya is now what? Dhatu is Sed dhatu. Alad. Therefore, Itagama will come. Then Shattam happens. This becomes one integral unit. Ishya. You follow?
Yes.
Follow.
Yes.
Yes.
And corresponding to the Ling Lakara. This is like Lang Lakara. Those only interact. Sakaram and Sakaratam ta. Remember? Remember like
Yes.
this. Ling Lakara, it's something like a combination of rit and lung. Something like that. Because of lit lakara, sya comes. And like lung lakara, attagama, and pratyaya also corresponding to that will come takara. Takara will come. Takara tam, and abhavata, like that. Now what? This is the pratyaya, this is the anga. Anga is what from up to the first letter, excluding the first letter of the pratyaya. That's Ishya, Apatishya, right? Then Takara, Apatishya, Apatishyat. That is called Ling Lakara Rupam. Understand?
Understood.
Yes.
Yes. Very nice.
Yes.
Nice condition.
Simple. Combination of both. Like Lit Lakara will come, like Lang Lakara Attaka, and the Pratyaya also will come like that. Takara Tam. And that is why it's a combination of both. So Apatishyat, what is the meaning of Apatishyat? We have seen. What is the meaning of Apatishyat? Bhute as well as future tense also it is used. If he had studied, that is the meaning gives, right? Apatishyat.
Yes.
If
If
he
he has
had
studied.
studied well, he would have passed. If he will study well, he will pass. So in future also the same meaning, same apatishyat is used. We have seen in elaborately in lakara artha meaning. So apatishyat, conditional mood. Understand?
Yes.
So what I'm saying here is like a lit lakara sya will come, like lang lakara attagama, and the pratyaya will come. That is there is a combination of both. One example. That's what I have written here. You see. Karishati lit lakara, kir dhatu, and akarishyat ling lakara. What about lut lakara? Lut lakara pratyas are different. Pratyas are different. Lut lakara is, I will do for lut lakara, pat dhatu if you take, pat plus. Lut lakara. When lut follows, what pratyaya comes? Tas,
Tas.
right? Shatasi. This is what sutra we are saying. Don't forget.
Yes,
Right?
tas.
Tas pratyaya comes. But here some certain
Yes.
things are there which is not required for us now. I will tell you later. Tip, pat plus tas plus tip. Now what happened to tip is, there's a rule. We don't require need to know the because we are not going to see lut lakara now. This is replaced by da. It's a rule. See, you may not understand. I mean, you will not understand everything here. Not required also. Da will come. Okay. And tas pratyaya is sarvadhatukam or radhadhatukam. We have a sutra. How dog? If you ask me how dog come, daro rasa sutram is tip will be replaced, and tas will be replaced by au will be replaced by us. One sutram is the daro rasaha. This is for only for lutlakara. Okay. So now da comes. Now this pratyaya is adadatuka pratyaya. Baladi. Dhatu is said. Therefore itagama will come. Understand?
Yes.
So pat plus itas plus da. Now there is another sutram is there. Again, you will not understand now. It's not required for us. But anyway, just for the sake of completion, I am doing. Pat plus itas plus da. Now, what is that T letter of this? Takara is ita letter. Okay. Content of da is a. By what sutra? NS.
Achantyaditi.
No. The da is
This
content
T.
is a. By what? Chutu.
Chotu.
Chutu.
Pratyaya adigi chutu. That's where Dakara goes away, right? A.
Yes.
Now, okay, that is one thing. Now, what is the T letter of this? Achantyaditi. Very good. What is T here? As, right? Ikara plus takara plus as. As is a T letter. Now, what will happen? Because of here, dit pratyaya follows, the as will drop. It's a rule. Ditva samatya teghe lopaha. Again, I am saying these are all not required for us. We don't know. We have not studied. That's not our scope now. Now, this as is a T letter which will drop. After dropping, what you get? Patti, pat plus, it plus, then you get patita. You get patita. Patita is a future tense. Ramaha patita means what? Rama will study, not today, tomorrow. Anadyatana illut. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, or next year, next janma, whatever. Understand? Patita.
Yes.
Okay.
Now, this is very easy. Once you have patita, this is like patitra shabda, kartar shabda. Patita, then what? Dvivachanam is patitaro, like karta, kartaro, kartara, patitaraha. If you know shabda, right? Patitra. The same
Yes.
way to do it for Pratama Purusha Ekavacham. You got the forms. Simple. And what is the pratyaya here? C. C, tas, then, right? Yes or no? I'm just writing the pratyaya.
Yes.
Then mip, was, must. You know what you do? You have already got here pati plus tas patitas. Just add pati tas. Patitas C. Sakara is come and Sakara will go away by rule patita. Therefore, you get patita C. Then pati tas taha. Then pati tas ta. Then pati tasmi. Then pati tasvaha. Then pati tas maha you get. Simple. Patitas, you remember. Here we have pati plus tas patitas. The patitas you add to the pratyaya sit tasta mip vasmas. Patitasi, patitastaha, patitasta, patitasmi, patitasvaha, patitasmaha. And first one is patita. Patita, patitaro. Once you know this, all lutlakara you can derive. Easily you can say. How you do lutlakara for kr? Karta, kartaro, kartaraha, kartasi, kartasa, kartasa, kartasmi, kartasva, kartasmaha. For bhudhatu, bhavita, bhavitaro, bhavitaraha, bhavitasi, bhavitasta, bhavitasta, bhavitasmi, bhavitasvaha, bhavitasmaha. Do you follow? I'm just saying
Yes.
simple way to derive the lakara. Any chur dhatu, what do you do? Chorayita, chorayitaro, chorayitaraha, chorayitasi, chorayasmaha. Okay, please go through
Nice.
this. I think we'll stop here. Think about this. Lakara, we will see in detail, taking different dhatus later. We are seeing the sutra, setasi, toho only. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vasishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Dhanyavadaha. Please go through this. You want this material to be
Yes.
here?
Nice.
Huh?
Yes.
It's,
Let it
it
be
can
here,
be
huh?
useful. Okay.
Maybe I'll rearrange it later. Yeah. I'll send you as it
Sure.
is. Okay, sir. Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.